Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you must be fit and fine. Today, we will read the chapter number 7 of our English reader, and the name of the chapter is The Fun Weekend, page number 67. So, students, let's start reading. So students, hope you must be ready by now. Let's start with our chapter, A Fun Weekend. Guess what? Last weekend, Mummy called up all my cousins to our house. We had slept together in my room. It was an exciting day. So students, let's also understand the meaning of the difficult words side by side. First word is weekend. Weekend means, as we all know, weekend. So weekend is Saturday and Sunday. And the second word is exciting. Exciting is interesting. So let's move on, students. Next morning, we saw Mummy arranging a party for us in the garden. There were streamers, balloons, and masks hanging from the trees. Mummy had made yummy snacks and arranged them on the table. She had also baked some special cookies for us. So students, here the difficult words are streamers and yummy. Streamers is the colorful ribbon that we mostly use in parties for decoration. And second word is yummy. Yummy itself indicates yummy is the tasty food. So students, let's move on. So students, page number 68. All my cousins and I played hide and seek. Nitin was the seeker. He stood at the corner and shut his eyes. Adit hid behind the tree. Priya and Mona climbed up the tree and sat on a branch. Aman hid inside the dollhouse, leaving the dolls outside. I hid under a bench. Nitin began looking for us. We did not move and kept quiet. So students, here the difficult word is seeker, which means one who finds. So now let's move on to another slide. Suddenly, Priya saw a big eagle flying over the tree. She screamed and climbed down the tree. She ran along the fence and fell into the pool. Seeing this, all of us forgot our game and rushed to help her. Nitin and Mona held her hands. Rest of us pulled them. Priya could easily come out. So students, let's read the difficult word over here. First word is suddenly. The meaning is all at once. Second word is screamed. Screamed means shout, to shout. Third word is fence. Fence means boundary, and the last word over here is rushed. It means ran quickly. So let's students move on to another slide. Before she could cry, Mama wrapped her in a towel. After she gave her a kiss and called us in. So here the difficult word is wrap. The meaning of it is covered. She served us all the snacks and cookies she had prepared. Mummy also played our favorite songs. What a nice time we had, eating and then dancing. So, students, here the difficult word is served. Served means gave or set food or drink. So, students, by this we end up reading this chapter. Students, please do read this chapter twice at home, and thank you and happy learning. So students, have a great weekend. Bye. Good luck.